Let me ask you something. Do you feel like your mind is constantly playing in the background? Even when you try to be at peace, it's replaying conversations, second-guessing your decisions, having these thoughts constantly looping. And you feel that even though you make 2 steps forward, you're drawn 3 steps back. You've done the work. You've done the therapy, you've done the meditations, the self-help books, and yet you feel that there's this energy playing in the background with your thoughts and emotions constantly coming forward. And it feels like there's something, like your subconscious has taken over and things are just being decided for you, that you're not able to actually move forward into what you want to do and connect with yourself in a way that feels true and real. And you feel that this isn't who I am. If this is landing, stay with me. I'm going to explain to you exactly how it is that fully free moves you truly into releasing everything that's bringing forward these loops, these emotions, and shifting you to a place where you are fully and truly connected with yourself, with all that you are, and truly being in your full energy and confidence. This is for you if your mind never stops. If you feel that in the background there's this noise constantly going of thoughts, of replaying conversations, of feeling like there's this unfinished story that you feel that you need to find the answers to, that you feel that you need some sort of closure to, and you just can't understand it. You try to work things out by thinking about them more deeply, by revisiting stories, by revisiting relationships, events, and trying to find the answers in them. And yet, even when you try to release them, let go of them, and move forward into something new, they seem to just pull you back in. Step by step, you feel that they affect the way that you're thinking, what you're feeling, and not just that, you see them repeating in your everyday life. You see the same patterns, not just in your thoughts, not just in your feelings, but in events that you are experiencing. It's like they're on repeat, and you feel that you're not in control. You may hear yourself saying, "This isn't who I am. I don't feel like myself. This is not like me. It's not like me to be thinking like this. It's not like me to be feeling this way. It's not like me to be stuck in this kind of a situation." And if this is you, fully free is exactly what sets you completely free. Not by a surface level solution, not by trying to shift your thoughts, shift your feelings, shift your beliefs and who you are, but actually clearing and releasing these from the root, and you moving into truly connecting with who you are and all you are. You may be wondering who I am and why you should even listen to me. I'm Aliki, and over the past decade, I've been helping people free themselves from overthinking, feeling overwhelmed, and disconnected from themselves. Years ago, I wasn't this clear. I realized that I was trapped. I was trapped in something that was affecting me mentally, energetically, emotionally. And the more I tried to understand it, to find the way, the answer that would set me free, not surface level free where I would feel better in the moment, but truly release it all. Allow me to not keep being affected by the past, to keep being affected by past beliefs, thoughts, experiences, for them not to be deciding who I am, how I'm feeling, what I'm thinking. And the more I tried to find the way to just release them and clear them, the more lost I got. I looked in the past trying to solve old stories, trying to understand and find the answer. And the more I looked for the answer, even though I knew that it would just be something simple that would set me free, the more lost I got, the more I trapped myself in energy of the past and thoughts of the past and feelings of the past, in very heavy feelings of guilt, shame, pain. All these things that I had experienced came forward full force in the here and now. And even though all I longed for was to just be clear here, now, I actually managed to do the complete opposite and bring them all forward even more. And I said that now that I've brought them to the surface, maybe now it'll be easier to just clear them and release them. But that wasn't the way. I tried to transform them. I tried to release them. I tried to fix them. I tried to heal them. But all these didn't work. As soon as I would say, oh, I've done it, here I am, I'm free, there it was. Slowly, slowly, they would creep in and they were back again. So I realized there had to be another answer. And once I found the way, I would open the way for everyone to see, to learn, and to be able to actually free themselves. And so I searched, and it took me years, and I found it. It wasn't about healing, it wasn't about releasing, it wasn't about understanding, it wasn't about finding answers to all the stories of the past and healing them one by one. It was about shifting. It was about a complete release from the root of who you are and all you are, and truly choosing where it is you choose to be, who it is you choose to be, and moving into this fully and completely. And once you achieve this, then yes, you are fully free. This course isn't just a shift, it isn't a healing, it isn't a fixing, it is a complete freedom of all that you are, and you choosing all that you choose to be, all that you want to be here now, and you being actually fully present in complete balance and peace. So what exactly is this process? It's made up of 3 steps. And the first is for you to stand in your power, to reclaim who you truly are and move into this fully. Most people, when they realize that they're overwhelmed with overthinking, with not feeling themselves, not feeling truly connected, they try to solve this by working it out, just as I did, by finding answers, by trying to analyze things, to see what the stories are telling them. And the more you try to solve thinking with different thinking, you still are in the process of overthinking. It isn't the way to solve internal chaos by working it out mentally. You can only solve this energetically. You can only solve this by shifting your energy. And it doesn't come with you connecting to someone that you were in the past, to a past version of you that you feel was better, to some sort of higher energy that you have within you. It's about you truly shifting onto higher ground, moving into where you feel truly connected with who you are, and all you choose to bring forward and experience. This doesn't come from you trying to cut through the thinking, to actually just release the thinking or work it out. It comes through you shifting. Step 2 is to clear the noise, to release everything that's not yours, not just surface level understanding, mentally forgiving, but from the root, energetically, fully releasing. Most letting go techniques deal with things mentally, where you try to work things out, to understand them, and even though you're cutting cords, you're making choices to move on, it seems to come back again and affect you once again, because in your field, it's still connected. The people, the thoughts, the beliefs, the relationships, the energy, the experiences, everything is just still there living in your field. So sooner or later, your subconscious will bring these forward. You will see them repeating again and again, even though you felt that I did the work, I cleared through them, I released these, I've moved on. Why are they here again? Because you didn't clear them from the field. You cleared them from the surface. And that doesn't mean that what you did didn't work, that you did it wrong. But you didn't do it to the depths of you where it's a full and true release. This is what we do in the second step together. So after you've cleared the energy, you've cleared the connections that have been affecting you from the past beliefs, the past experiences, all that subconscious energy, the energy that's in your mind that has been affecting you, all that has been cleared. And in step 3, we bring it forward and put it into action, where you are actually making decisions from your place of power, where you are making decisions from your inner wisdom, that clarity, the confidence, and you feel this true presence. When you walk into a room, it's not just how you feel, but it's in how you speak, how you think, what you say, what you do, how others see and perceive you, and in the way that you present yourself and feel your presence truly here. You don't feel that you keep getting drawn into the past or into wishful thinking for the future and dreams that just never came forward and actually happened, but where you're present in the here and now, knowing all that you are, expressing that best in you, and choosing how it is you feel, what it is you think, and what it is you want to bring forward into the world and express. It's you actually fully free in the here, in the now, present at your very best. If you're still watching, it's because what I'm saying is resonating with you. You feel that this is me. This is what I'm experiencing. And I get it. I know what it's like to feel that you're being drawn in all these different directions, that you're not truly in control of what you're thinking, what you're feeling, and you say, this isn't who I am. This isn't how I choose to live my life. You feel that your mind has taken over, your thoughts just keep looping, and no matter how many times you try to shift into positive thinking, to shift your mindset, to make different decisions, to release the past, it seems to keep coming in and drawing you back. And even though you have the best intentions to stay present, to be calm, to be clear, to have this focus and concentration and move forward with confidence, you feel that you're not in control and that your subconscious has taken over. This is why Fully Free is here, to actually set you free and release all this and shift you into truly connecting with who you truly are. Not just surface level clearing, but releasing this and shifting to a completely new ground. I understand how it is to be in this day after day. I understand how it is to feel that these spirals, these traps, are something that you can't break through. I tried for years and years. I've been there, I know, and this is why it is so important to me that I've created this course to share with you. The full program is $888, which reflects everything inside. But because you're watching now, you can join at the special pre-launch price of $555. In this way, you save $333, and once the course launches on June 15th, you get the full access. Only 100 spots are available at the pre-launch price or until June 15th, whichever comes first. But don't miss out on this. This isn't about money. This isn't about you investing in yourself. This is about you drawing a line in the sand, of you saying enough is enough. I can't do this anymore. I am done being controlled by my mind, by my past, by my beliefs, by my thoughts, and everything to just keep looping. You've done enough circling. It's time to move forward. Click the link below and let's get started.